Your Claude agent can draft emails, plan campaigns, manage outreach sequences, but it's sending blind, invalid addresses, dead domains, risky contacts, and every bounce that comes back damages your domain credibility, sometimes permanently, so it sends anyway. And the bounces start coming back. Now connect Claude to MCP360's email validator. Claude can validate addresses before sending. In a single step, just ask, clean this lead list, keep only valid emails, flag the risky ones. Claude makes one call to MCP360, sends the addresses, gets back results for each one, validates whether the address is good, bad, or suspicious, filters the list automatically. One connection. Everything else is handled by your agent automatically. This is what MCP360 does. It connects your agent to real tools, validation, data, automation, so it can make smarter decisions without leaving the conversation. Email validation is just one tool. MCP360 gives you access to 100 plus of them, all the same way, all integrated directly into how your agent works. Better agents make better decisions. MCP360 gives Claude the accurate data it needs, better outcomes, faster action. Try it now at mcp360.ai.